We can add other objects that display external content to our stories, such as clocks, RSS feeds, and embedded web pages. The clock widget displays the current system time. We can open the styling options to show or hide the logo and change the time or date format. For the RSS feed widget, we can add multiple RSS URLs. We can define properties for how the feed is handled and adjust the styling of the controls and text elements. For embedded web pages, we need to specify a title and a valid URL. Note that SAP Analytics Cloud validates the format of the address. The website must automatically grant access to all external sites or must be configured to trust the SAP Analytics Cloud domain. The web page now displays. Note that we can refresh the widget and expand it to fill the page. Live links on the page can be launched from within SAP Analytics Cloud. Thanks for watching.